So guys, I'm using my platform to spread awareness, lalo sa ating mga GL fans. Tayong mga fans, syempre sobrang na-appreciate din talaga tayo ng mga artist. Pero always remember guys, the physical contact without consent should always be avoided. So nakita naman natin sa video na parang at first, di ko alam pero parang ang uncomfortable ni Jeannie nung hindi pa siya hinahug nung fan. Then after nun, bigla siyang niyakap nung fan. Siguro kasi masaya yung fan, pero kasi it is inappropriate. So, reminder lang talaga, please respect artist personal boundaries. Follow natin yung event and staff instructions. Let's show our love and support to the artist in ways that are safe and appropriate. Nakakatawa lang din tayo mga Pinoy GL fan. Oo, maingay tayo, pero so far, hindi naman tayo maabot sa ganong level. Alam pa rin natin yung boundary natin as a fan and that's a wow. So yun lang guys, let's continue to support G&J with kindness, maturity, and understanding para naman bumalik sila dito sa Pilipinas, okay? So yun lang, let's go.